go back there.
Are you gonna do it? After him? Why? Why are you whispering? Okay.
Connor gave this to me. Our contestant is trying to work up a Ooh, that was a juicy one. Ooh, that was a juicy one.
Okay.
As our
You wanna
contestant,
go again?
as the battle heats up, it's Chris's turn. He appears to be doing some kind of tribal dance, giving signals to some kind of person. So, he's working one out. His stomach is hurting. This can only mean one thing. He's got a humongous bump. Our champion, Chris. Oh, geez. Oh, geez.
Silence! I must have silence.
Silence,
Nicholas
audience.
must have silence. He must concentrate. To be able to accomplish Chris's incredible belch, he must first be able to conjure up the juiciest burp known to man.
Stop.
Chris appears to be distracted, Nicholas. I'm an announcer.
Yay!
As the battle heats up, they must both have complete silence.
There's a voice laughing in here.
As Chris's famous line, okay. Nicholas appears to be doing something incredibly creative.
Why do you do it when I'm not pointing the camera at you?
He always appears to be doing it while the camera is not pointing at him. Almost as if he appears to be in secrecy. Ninja! Ninja, vanish! Oh! It's like the belching contest heats up. The belching contest appears to be conjuring up an incredible belch of pure magnitude. Shut up!
What did he say?
With your little dolls. The audience. Oh, come
A
on.
loud and juicy belch. Chris appears to be writing something. Ooh, juicy and dry.
Juicy and dry.
Chris, our champion, appears to be holding up some
Burp. King.
can of whoop-ah. He appears to be conjuring up the old-fashioned can of whoop-ah. Nicholas is still in his belch. Oh no, this is Chris's deadly approach. He's conjuring up an incredible belch. One of the audience members appears to be trying to help with that magnitude, but at no avail. He's hurting. He's now just cringing as the gas bubbles conjure up in his stomach. As they pop, his stomach grows. That one is over.